Picture this. Working from home, making $12,500 a month, working with FedEx, shaping the future of global package delivery. Does it sound too good to be true? It might. It just might. But let me tell you this, it's not. This job can be yours. I'm going to break down all the details of this position, so stick with me. You're not going to want to miss this one. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much and welcome. I'm Sharice and I help professionals just like you land six-figure careers with confidence and with ease. So today we're going to be diving into this amazing opportunity at FedEx. Working remotely, working from home, making $12,500 a month. But I have to let you know, before you apply to this position, there's one crucial thing you're going to need. You're going to need an ATS optimized resume tailored specifically for this position. That is how you land this job. So if you need help with that, I got you covered. Link below, I have my DIY resume template kit, and that's going to come with the template for your resume, your cover letter, and your reference pages. It's also going to come with pre-written, done for you keywords and power phrases that you can plug and play directly onto your resume. And if you're thinking, okay, Sharice, I have tried my resume and I have not had any luck so far, I got you covered. I have a one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where we'll get on Zoom and I will rewrite your resume for you. So I can help you get this position. So this is going to be a good one. We're going to dive into the details. But before we do, I like to start all of my videos with a little bit of motivation, inspiration to keep us going on our job hunt. Today's quote comes from the amazing Michael Jordan. So he says, some people want it to happen. Some wish it would happen. Others, they make it happen. I love this quote because we are out here making it happen. We're not waiting. We're not sitting around. We're not twiddling our thumbs. We are going out. We are looking for our next opportunity. We are pursuing our dreams. So let's get into the details of this position. So the title of today's position is Program Management Advisor. So this is going to be a remote position, and it looks like you're going to be working with Collierville, Tennessee office, which is just outside of their headquarters in Memphis. So let's scroll down to look at the details of this position. So up here at the top, they're letting you know that the duties for this role include, but are not limited to, providing support in project communication, documentation, and coordination in a project for the department, to provide support in collecting and analyzing routine department problems, issues, and concerns. So let's look at the specific team you'll be working with. So this is going to be part of the Technology Simplification Initiative. It's an enterprise-wide effort aimed at optimizing the organization's technology ecosystem while standardizing and automating common business processes. They're looking for a skilled project manager advisor to support the planning, execution, and successful delivery of technology simplification projects across the organization. So this role involves overseeing multidisciplinary teams throughout the project lifecycle, from the development of value bundles to governance and execution. The ideal candidate is going to ensure projects are aligned with organizational goals and delivered on time, within scope, with measurable impacts. So that's a great overview of the position. This sounds like a quintessential project program manager position. So let's scroll down and look at a few more of the details of what you're going to be doing. So I love that they listed it here clearly for you. And this section is a great area to study so that you can use the keywords directly from this post. They have listed them out here, giving you clear titles with a short description, So you can transfer that directly to your resume and just kind of integrate your previous project or program management experience. So let's look at what they're asking. So first, stakeholder engagement. You're going to partner with stakeholders and subject matter experts across departments to ensure alignment, decision-making, and clear communication throughout the project lifecycle. Governance and oversight. Assist in maintaining governance processes to ensure project milestones are met with appropriate levels of oversight and accountability. Communication. Create and deliver on cadence, clear and concise updates to all stakeholders at all levels. So they're looking for someone who's comfortable working with executive levels all the way down to the staff levels and even across maybe their peers as well, so that you can, they want to make sure you have a well-rounded sense of communication, that you have no issues working with people at all kinds of levels. They also want you to be able to proactively escalate risk, issues, or changes in the scope when necessary. So they're also looking for a go-getter, someone who is going to be proactive about seeing problems and escalating those and making sure that they get tackled. So next, project planning and execution. So they want you to ensure proper scope, objectives, and deliverables are defined in collaboration with stakeholders. Develop detailed project plans, including schedules, resource allocation, and risk mitigation strategies, and also ensure timely execution of project tasks and milestones. So again, your project and program management background is going to help you out here. You can speak directly to what you have done in your previous positions and translate those to these specific keywords and specifically how you can use them in this job. They also are asking you to have skills in reporting and tooling. Assist in defining standard weekly reports and collaborate in creating dynamic reports using enterprise tooling such as Power BI. So if you have any experience with other enterprise tools, other reporting softwares or tools, or way you have used throughout your project or program management career, you're going to want to list those on your resume as well. And if you have not used Power BI, it'd be a great time to Google Power BI, brush up on what they do. Also, see if there's a short course or a series of YouTube videos that you can take to just build your knowledge about that software, since it sounds like it's what they're going to be using. So then at least on your resume, you can say you are familiar with it, or you have heard of it, or you understand the basics of it. So lastly here, risk and change management. So they're saying monitor progress and address issues promptly to minimize impact. Assist in implementing a change management process. So these are great elements to put on your resume. Again, if you need support with that resume, I have my DIY resume kit linked below. That's going to come with the template for your resume, your cover letter, your reference pages, as well as a list of keywords and paraphrases that you can plug and play directly onto your resume to make sure your resume is ATS optimized and ATS friendly and gets through their system. And if you need even more support, I have my one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where I will professionally write your resume for you to help you get this position, because I want you to get this job. So moving on down, let's look at the knowledge, skills, and abilities. So they're wanting you to have proven experience managing large-scale projects and programs, particularly those involving technology or cross-functional collaboration. So this is slightly open-ended, and I love that, because you may be in a different industry, or you may have a particular way you have collaborated cross-functionally that you can talk about on your resume. That's a great opportunity to take the experience that you have done previously and translate it to what they're looking for here using these keywords that they have listed specifically for you. They're also asking for you to have excellent organization and planning skills with the ability to manage multiple priorities and deadlines, strong problem solving and negotiating skills to resolve conflicts. And that's going to be between project teams, cross-functional groups, and with leadership. So these are also great skills. I always recommend clients have a list of skills, hard skills and soft skills on their resume. And these, you can take these specific words and put them on your resume. Problem solving, negotiation, organizational, planning, collaboration. Those are great keywords you can plug directly into your resume. They're also asking for strong communication and collaboration ability to effectively communicate complex information, a diverse team/peers, cross-functional, OpsCo teams, and management. So they want you to be able to communicate across a variety of different people in different groups. And lastly, they're looking for strong leadership and team building skills with the ability to inspire and motivate others. So if you're someone who loves just getting up and expressing your passion, your vision for the team, for the project, this is going to be a great position for you. So let's scroll on down. So they're looking for a minimum of a bachelor's degree or equivalent in business, finance, computer science, or directly related discipline, analytical, organizational, and planning skills. Also, strong human relations and communication skills. So you're going to want to highlight these skills on your resume. They're also looking for minimum experience for the program management advisor. They're looking for 5 years exempt experience in program project management, product development, systems design or development, or business/financial planning and analysis. Experience in the use of project management planning software, experience in planning major projects, including development of project proposals, business cases, schedules, and financial justification. So again, this is a quintessential program project management position. So you're going to want to speak directly to your previous experience on your resume and hit these specific, if you have experience in these specific areas, whether it's not only the project or program management, whether it's product development, system design, business, financial planning, you're going to want to put all of that information on your resume in a concise manner, but you're going to want to make sure you hit each of those points. So let's scroll down a little bit. So this position can be domiciled anywhere in the United States. Basically, you can be based anywhere. It just has to be in the US. So the ability to work remotely within the United States may be available based on business need, but they're saying this is going to be a remote position and you can be based out of anywhere just within the US. So let's look down to the pay. So the pay range for this position starting at $7,094.23 a month, all the way up to $12,533.14 a month. They're saying that this is a reasonable estimate for the current starting salary for this role across all potential locations. If this opportunity includes multiple job levels, the range is reasonable estimate of current starting salary for the lowest to the current starting salary of the highest. But the pay is going to be determined, of course, by experience, the market level, the pay at this location for this job, and other job related factors. So we know that, of course, but you have the opportunity to make between $7,000 a month all the way to $12,000 a month. So again, if you need support getting your resume together, I got you covered. I have my DIY resume kit linked below, and you're going to get the templates for your resume, cover letter, your reference pages, as well as the pre-written list of keywords and paraphrases you can put directly onto your resume. And the key here is take the keyword, merge them with what you have done previously, and put that on your resume. That is how you are going to get seen. And if you need help doing that, I got you covered there too. I have my one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where we'll get on a Zoom call. We'll talk about your experience and all of your accomplishments, and I will professionally write your resume for you. And if you like jobs like this, be sure to like this video. Also, subscribe to my channel because I post jobs every single week, and I promise you this job will not last long. So you do not want to miss the next one. So Thank you so much for being here. And also leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how your job search is going and what kind of jobs you're looking for. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.